Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A rocket speed is increasing at a rate of 14.6 meters per second squared. What is the rate in miles per minute squared? Here we have a rate in the unit meters per second squared, and we have to convert this unit to miles per minute squared. And we have the information 1 mile equals to 1609 meters. Okay, now let me consider this information. That is 1609 meters equals to 1 mile. Let me write over here. Now let me divide both these quantities by 1609. Let me do it over here. The value of this fraction is 1. That is 1 meter equals to 1 over 1609 miles. And also we know that 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Let me divide both these quantities by 60. Okay, let me divide it over here and here. The value of this fraction 60 over 60 is just 1. That is 1 second equals to 1 over 60 minutes. Now let me square both sides of this equation. Now we can take this exponent 2 separately for this one and this one. Then we get 1 square second square. The same thing we can do over here. Then we get 1 over 60 the whole square. Then we get a minute square. The value of 1 square is just 1. Then we get 1 second square equals 2. Now let's consider this one. We can take this exponent 2 separately for the numerator and denominator. When I take it for numerator, I'm getting 1 square. The value of 1 square is 1. When I take this exponent 2 for this denominator 60, it will be 60 square. The value of 60 square is 3600 minute square. Okay, now let's consider the stuff over here. That is 14.6 meters per second square. Okay, let me write it 14.6 meter per second square. Okay, 14.6 times. We got that 1 meter equals to 1 over 1609 miles. Let's plug in this one for the 1 meter we have over here. Then we get 1 over 1609 miles. And we got that 1 second square equals to 1 over 3600 minute square. Let's plug in this one for 1 second square. We have over here. Okay, in denominator, we have to write 1 over 3600 minutes square. Okay, here 14.6 times. Let's take this fraction as it is. That is 1 over 1609. Now we can change this division as multiplication. When I do so, I have to get reciprocal for this fraction. Then we have 3600 over 1. We can write this stuff as it is. That is miles per minute square. Okay, here when I multiply this 14.6, 1 and 3600, I am getting 52,560. In denominator, when I multiply this one and this one, I am getting 1609 miles per minute square. Okay, when I divide this value by this, I am getting a long decimal like 32.666 keeps going. Better we can round this value to the nearest hundredth. When I do so, I am getting about 32.67 miles per minute square. Okay, here I got the given rate in miles per minute square. That is about 32.67.